So I start off with a base coat of Ultimate Shield by Sally Hansen. It dries pretty quickly and makes my nails feel great. Then I go in with the color of choice, and today we're doing SinfulColors Bold Color Nail Polish. Let's see what color this is in case you want it. It is color Yolo Yellow. We love that. You only live once. Yes, heck yes. So put on 2 coats of this. So grab your nail art kit of choice. I got this cute one from Shein. I'm trying to decide which one to go with. So I went with the pink flowers, leaves, and butterflies. So cute. Let's get them on. Soak your paper nail art in water for a little while and then pick it up with some tweezers as best as you can. And then you just stick some of the top coat onto the piece of paper and then stick it onto your nail, and all done. Super cute. Don't forget to like this video. It helps my channel so much. Thanks.